Ang yaman-yaman talaga.
Okay, where are we going now? Okay, Betcha, ikaw magsalita ka. Hello, we're going to Seoul. We're going to Samyu. Hi, Ruby. What can you say?
I can say that I am beautiful.
What's your wild reaction, Annalyn?
That's great, and
Do you agree? Of course, Rolinda.
She's my good
beautiful.
friend.
Oh, how about you, darling?
if you are a children of God, you are really beautiful.
Amen. Ate Yayet, are you okay?
Well, she's a fuck. I thought you're a fuck.
Moya.
She's a fuck. Are you one of us?
What about you?
She's so stressed.
To Lenny, oh.
Ako, wala akong masabi kasi inspired ako.
Gumagalaw. Ang gaganda natin. Ako lang, hindi makikita sa akin. Umapuso na kayo. Ako na lang.
Hello, ka sa bangin.
Dili, oy.
Hello, Beth. Alam mo, ang sexy na talaga ngayon.
Salamat. Iyan ang pinakamagandang comment na narinig ko.
Yes!
Sa video ba kay hindi mo mag-react, nag-react, nag-smile ba kay hindi man good si Betcha yung bagay magkanta pero pang video na yan.
Use Casper, Ana. Use Casper.